Success does not come overnight. It needs hard work and consistency. If you are following these two things, hard work and consistency, one day success will come to you and it will touch your feet. One of the best examples is the inspiring life story of KFC's Colonel Sanders. Well, Colonel Harland Sanders, founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken. The real-life story of Colonel Harland Sanders, who was disappointed umpteen times in his life and still made his dream come true late in his life, is really inspiring. He is a 7th grade dropout who tried many things in his life but tasted bitter every time. He started selling chicken in his age of 40. But his dream of a restaurant was turned down many times due to conflicts and wars. Later he attempted to franchise his restaurant. His recipe got rejected 1009 times before the final approval and the secret recipe approved. Kentucky Fried Chicken became a huge hit worldwide. KFC was expanded globally and the company was sold for $2 million, and his face is still celebrated in the logos. Well, moral of the story is, have you ever stopped your attempts to a venture just because you were rejected or failed a few times? Can you ever accept a failure of 1009 times? This story inspires everyone to try hard and believe in yourself until you see success despite how many times you have failed. Never stop. Be consistent to your work. One day you will get success.